Over $71 billion. We're going to talk about it. And it's Uniswap. It's decentralized versus centralized. It's Uniswap versus Coinbase in this case. And it's interesting that this is happening now. And we're going to talk about why it's relevant. This big switch is happening. A lot of people are moving their money off of centralized exchanges in light of what's happened with FTX, in light of what's happened with the banks. We're starting to see that your money is not safe necessarily, right? Unless it's in, let's say, a big bank. But at the end of the day, they're lending this to you. And when it comes to crypto, these centralized exchanges are even obviously, less prepared to deal with the economic situation we're in. They're not as stable companies. They haven't been around as long. And you're seeing some of these exchanges struggle. And it has a lot of people nervous about where they want to hold their crypto. Well, Uniswap, of course, is the king on the decentralized side. Their volume beats Coinbase and registers its best month since 2022. And I want to kind of get into some of the specifics here because we could see here spot market volume on Uniswap hit 71.6 billion just this past month in March. That's 45% higher than Coinbase's, according to data from Into the Block Research. Now, March was the decentralized exchange's best month in terms of volume. That's on Uniswap since January 2022. Uniswap beat Coinbase despite a month-on-month improvement in Coinbase's volume. Coinbase stock has held pretty steady, trading right now for about $67 in the last few days. But more and more people, I think, if they haven't already, they're learning how to use DeFi. And at the end of the day, we know DeFi is better because you own your assets, right? You actually have custody of them. You have your private keys. They're yours. They're not being lent out, right? Coinbase noted in its weekly market commentary that the exchange's volume fell in the last week of March. Spot market volume on Coinbase was right around 50 billion last month. That was still up 23% from around 40 billion in February. But again, those are your comparative numbers here. Coinbase, massive company, right? Publicly traded, 50 billion in volume versus Uniswap, decentralized side of things, over 70 billion here just this past month. Coinbase noted that trends on the exchange mirror the broader market, with investors focused more on tokens with large market cap and stable coins. We could see that as we look at Bitcoin dominance. That rose over the past few weeks and continues to rise. Many people looking at Bitcoin as kind of the safe haven place within crypto. So you're starting to see less people transact on the centralized exchange side of things. There are also a lot of people kind of hunting and fishing in the small cap space right now. And a lot of these tokens are the ones moving. A lot of that happens where? On the DeFi side of things, right? A lot of these tokens aren't yet listed on Coinbase. So you're seeing a lot of volume pick up over there in the community token space, small DeFi projects. We've seen artificial intelligence have a real big pop here and to start the year. A lot of people trying to do things in AI, but very interesting shift we're seeing here on the volume side of things. And I wanted to bring this information to you just so you're well equipped. And it's good, I think, too, because we're slowly making that transition and shift over to DeFi, people using MetaMask. And I think it's a good thing overall because, again, at the end of the day, you actually own your crypto. You have custody of them. So appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about the shift happening right now and any other thoughts you have related to this down below. See you.